LiftedTrucks.com, America's #1 custom truck dealer, is proud to be in the great state of Texas. We now have multiple locations in the Dallas and Houston area. And we have over 1,000 trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps to choose from online at LiftedTrucks.com. Our quality and selection is unmatched. Whether you're on the ranch, overlanding, off-roading, or going on family adventures, we have your perfect ride. Stop by one of our locations and experience the difference. Or shop now at LiftedTrucks.com. Work hard, play hard, drive harder. LiftedTrucks.com.